Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're old, thanks for coming back. So I'm just gonna go in and show you the lace that I messed up, but I'm gonna show you the products that I'm gonna use to fix this. So it's pretty easy. It's just boiling water, and I'm gonna go in with the color Adore in 48. I think it's honey brown, and we're gonna put some drop. So we're just gonna go in and we're gonna mix with a comb. I'm currently using a toothbrush, sorry for that, but that's the only thing I could find at the moment. And then we're just gonna fold the lace over. We just need to put the lace portion of the wig in the water. So we're just gonna do that, and we're gonna have it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna keep dipping it until we realize that our damage that we did earlier with the bleach is all fixed. So this portion of it is self-explanatory, so you could just keep on watching. So I'm just gonna go in and show you a little sneak peek of the part where I messed up with the bleach. So I'm just showing you the wig itself, but if you actually go in and use this method and you actually try it and it worked for you, please remember to tag me or let me know that it worked for you. You could just keep on watching because I'm just showing you the beauty of the wig. So after the whole process, I normally go in with a little bit of shampoo of your choice. It doesn't have to be the one that I'm using because it's not gonna change. It's not like it's gonna remove from the lace because the lace is actually stained with the color now. So after washing the hair once, I went in with a conditioner. I don't remember which conditioner I went in with, but I just comb through the hair because the hair is pretty light and it's a quick process. It's just to show you guys how to bleach the hair, how to fix if you have any damage or over bleach lace. That's the aim of the video, so I didn't show that part, but any conditioner of your choice can use. And you're gonna see that I just have the hair sit for a minute, and then after you're gonna see the ending process.
As you seen in the clips earlier, I part the hair so you could see that the lace is no longer over bleach. My coloring method for this actually worked. I didn't use any tint, I didn't use anything else to fix the lace, no makeup. This is just my simple method, so if you go ahead and try this and it works for you, please let me know in the description bar. Let me know which other video you want to see. I'm here to give you all the good content that you need. I know that this is just a quick and easy video, but thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for coming back. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share this with someone that you know always over bleach lace and get frustrated and don't know what to do. I think this video is really helpful. It's a quick and easy video. Thank you guys so much for coming back, and I can't say this. Until then, see you in my next one. Bye.